Have you ever run into an error while coding that just leaves you scratching your head? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to get your project off the ground. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common PySpark issue that many users face. I totally understand how annoying it is when you think you've got everything set up correctly, only to be met with an error message that seems to come out of nowhere. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users encounter similar issues when working with PySpark. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently tried to run some PCA code in PySpark and encountered an error stating, column features must be of type org.apache.spark.ml.linalg.VectorUDT, but was actually org.apache.spark.ml.linalg.VectorUDT. Sound familiar? If so, let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what's going on here? This error typically arises when there's a mismatch between the expected data types in your data frame. In this case, PySpark is expecting a specific type of vector for the PCA operation, but it's receiving a different one. We'll break down how to resolve this step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To resolve the error, the user needs to ensure that the features column in the data frame is of the correct type. Specifically, it should be of type apache.spark.ml.linalg.VectorUDT. First, the user should check the current schema of the data frame. This can be done by using the print schema method on the data frame. If the features column is not of the correct type, the user will need to convert it. This can be achieved by using the vector assembler class from the pyspark.ml.feature module. After converting the features column, the user can proceed to fit the PCA model again. This time, it should work without errors. Finally, the user can display the results using the show method. This will allow them to see the transformed features. Fun fact: did you know that the first version of Spark was released in 2010? It has come a long way since then, making big data processing much more accessible and efficient. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests ensuring that your data frame uses the correct vector type. They recommend importing vectors from pyspark.ml.linalg instead of pyspark.ml.lib.linalg. This change will help you avoid the error regarding the column features type. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always check your data types before running machine learning algorithms. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to run your PCA code without any issues. Remember, keeping an eye on data types is key to smooth coding. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more PySpark insights.